Welcome to Google Cloud Learning Videos. This video will demonstrate how to secure a website served by Apache HTTP server and running on a GCE instance. We will use certbot to obtain and install a free certificate from Let's Encrypt. In the demo, there is a flowchart showing you the steps. I would suggest pausing the video and take a moment to go through those steps. They should help with following the details provided in the video. If you want to follow along, please verify that the following prerequisites are met. You should be able to log into the GCE instance where your website is running. And you should have sudo access on the GCE instance to run admin commands. First step, log into GCE instance where the website is running. I am logging in via SSH from my command line terminal. After login, if certbot is not installed, run the following command to install it. And if this one is already available, then you don't have to. So just check to make sure that it is installed. In my case, it is already available. So I'm going to check that it is installed. Okay. After installing certbot, then install certbot Apache package by running the following command. Again, in my case, I have already installed it, so I'm not going to run it. But here is a command that you can use to install it. Finally, run certbot with Apache plugin to download, install, and load the certificate from Let's Encrypt. Again, I have already completed this step, but for your reference, I'm going to type in the command for your reference. So greatpuppy.com is my domain and website. In your case, you have to put your domain. So just to make sure that you put in the right domain on this command. When you run this command, it will ask you a few questions. Answer those, including the option to serve all traffic via HTTPS. Installation should take only about a minute. Once completed, you will see additional details on how to back up the generated certificates and where to go verify them. After that is complete, just to start the web server clean, I would suggest start the web server and verify that its status is okay. So the command I use is sudo system control status Apache 2. Okay, it is running, so I'm good. If everything looks good, access the website via HTTPS as a final validation. If this fails, there could be other problems. For example, in my case, the firewall setting on the GCE instance was not on, and I had to go and allow it so that the GCE instance would let HTTPS traffic from outside. So to verify that, navigate to your GCE instance. Scroll down and you should see a section on firewalls. Make sure that um, the HTTPS traffic is set to allow. That's all you have to do on that page. And if you have to make changes, just save it. Once done, then come back and then access your website with HTTPS. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.